Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jack and Barbecue. So today we're kind of doing a little Easter episode per se, shooting a ham. So getting the Weber Kettle set up right now. I got the Slow N Sear on. I got the water rack into the Slow N Sear 2.0 out there. And I actually put a little bit of a water pan underneath where the ham's gonna go, because I want to get as much moisture as I can in there to keep this thing as moist as I can get it. But basically gonna let it sit on there. Probably let it get to about 110 degrees, maybe 100 degrees, and then I'm gonna spin it just to get it even cooking. I'm gonna put a probe in it while it's out there so I can monitor it to the grill temperature along with the internal temperature of this. I'm probably shooting for right around 150 degrees on the ham before we pull it off. But you can see, nice big ham. It's about 11 pounds right now. So looking forward to putting this one on. Our families are making Easter candy in another house, so we're going to cook this today, deliver dinner later on, but shooting a ham just for kind of an Easter episode for that. I'm lucky enough that at Easter, my wife's uncle does the cooking, so we just show up and I get to eat some ham at that point. So we'll set up the grill and we'll see you on the grill. All right, so we're on the grill. I'm gonna throw the ham on now. I'm gonna dial the grill in, hopefully hold about 300 degrees. You can tell I have some extra charcoal in there, and I have a probe in this the whole time. Gonna monitor both, and we're gonna let this on. We'll bring it back. I said when it gets to about 100 degrees probably is when I'll kind of move things. All right, so we just hit like 110. So we're going to come out and turn it. Looks good. Just trying to get a little just even cook all the way through. Boy, that's looking nice. So we're going to bring it back out. Like I said, I'm debating between 145 and 150 when we're going to pull it off. So we'll see you soon. I'm actually going to move it just a little bit towards the back a little bit yet. There we go. All right, just reached temperature on the ham. Wow, does that look nice? Gonna pull it off. Perfect. We'll cut a little piece off this just to do a taste test inside, and we'll show you what it looks like. As always, cheers. That was good. So today was just a Easter ham. We didn't do a whole lot to it. The key for this thing is the butcher we get this from is very good ham. So all we did was get the Weber Kettle with a Slow N Sear setup, put it on, left it run around. It got to about 300 at one point, but I knocked it back down. So it ran between like 260 and 280 for almost the whole amount of time. It was about 3 hours total cook until we're sitting here right now. We put it on right around 2:30 today, and now it's around 5:30. Like I said, didn't do anything special with it, didn't put any honey on it or some of those things that people do. I like just to taste the ham. Gonna cut into it quick. I just want to take a little piece off the edge here because, like I said, we're traveling with this thing in a little bit. So nice looking ham here. I know it's going to taste good. Yeah, can't beat the way this ham tastes. Like I said, didn't really do anything to it. Probably when I eat ham later, I'll add a little bit of pepper to it. That'll be about it for what I do with ham. But looking good. I'm sure everybody that we show up with tonight with this ham is going to enjoy it. So like we were seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell. That gives a notification when I put a video up. Share with your friends, and we'll see you next time.